afternoon, Makina.
Before you sit down, kindly check if may mga basura dyan sa lalim ng chairs and pakipulot ito. And then, pwede na umupo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Secretary Ms. Chola, at you is the absent today.
Hi, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, before we go on class, let's recall. So, what is our previous lesson all about? Okay,
It's all about the mental health disorder.
yes, it's perfect. It's all about mental health disorders. So, we all know that mental health disorders has a 3 factors. So, ano ito? Okay, Miss?
Life experiences po.
Okay, very good. What else?
Hereditary, ma'am.
Yes, another.
Physical factors.
Okay, very good. So again, what is the 3 factors? First is heredity, second is physical factors, and the third is life experience. So, I prepared here an energizer. So, you see a ball, right? So,
Yes.
ano gagawin natin?
Mag-play.
Yes. Ready na ba? So, ang gagawin nyo is, papasa-pasa nyo ito, and then kakanta kayo ng twinkle-twinkle. Alam niyo naman yung twinkle-twinkle, di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, let's start to Miss Novi. So, wait lang. Okay. Pag nag-stop ito sa inyong ball, so meron ako pakita picture sa inyo, and then sasagutin niyo ito mula. Okay? Ready? Go!
Twinkle, twinkle,
Stop. Okay,
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
done. Okay, the first picture is, what is this?
It's Santo Niño, ma'am.
Okay, yes, correct. This is Anthony. Okay, continue class.
Okay, how I wonder.
Stop. Okay, Miss Novi. So this is, anong napansin mo?
Maitim po.
Yes. This is a mascara here. And then this, anong napansin mo?
Color.
Yes, color. Oh, this is
It's all about the costume.
yes,
ma'am.
costume. Okay. So let's move on again to our yes, our activity. I prepared an activity. So, wait lang class. Okay. I have here 4 pictures. All you need to do is i-arrange nyo ang mga rumble words dito sa envelope na to.
Ako, ma'am.
Okay, who wants to participate?
Ma'am.
Okay, number 5. Okay.
One.
Okay, so, okay. We will start now. Sige. famous festival in the Philippines. Differentiate the religious festival. Okay? So now, let's move on to our let's move on to math note.
So, good afternoon, class. So, before we proceed to our topic for today is about music of religious festival. So, before we proceed to our proper discussion, class, I have some few questions. So, what are the religious festival in the Philippines? Anyone or their ideas? Kasi may mga hint na kayo or tulog. Is that Jonah? Okay, very good. So, anyone? So, very good now. Second question is, what comes to your mind when you hear festival? Ano yung maisip nyo pag marinig nyo ang festival class?
Street dance. Street dance.
Very good. So, anyone can give their ideas?
So, for me, ma'am, as I observe in my mga fiesta sa aming barangay, so, nag-thank you sila sa ilang mga lyrics through sa ilang
Okay,
so, maraming senses.
so, let's start our proper discussion. So, makibasa ko sa ating class.
Hati-hatihan Festival. Participants blacken their faces with suit wear in 90s costumes and carry elaborate weapons as they parade along the streets. Feet stamping, hand clapping, bongos beating, and whistle blowing all cry out the rhythmic beat of the drums.
So, as you can see the picture, so ati-atihan is celebrate nila ni sa Kalibok Aklan. So, asa nila celebrate class?
Sa Kalibok Aklan.
Okay, very good. So, as you can see no, sa ilang costume, colorful kayo siya, di ba? Colorful. And, so, ano ba yun, no? Each festival, they have their own beliefs and tradition. So, may kanya-kanya sila pinaniniwalaan and the type of their music is stamping, hands clapping, and bungos beating, and whistling, blowing, and cry. Tapos sila kang class, sila kang inatchan is halabira. So, familiar mo na class sa halabira. So, again, asa sila class, nag-celebrate? Okay, very good. So, next is we have the Moriones Festival. Pakibasa ko class.
Moriones Festival. In the town of Boa, Gasan, and Bogog, in Marinduque, a unique and colorful lantern ritual is celebrated called the Moriones Festival. Participants roam the streets dressed as Roman soldiers with fierce-looking and colorful masks. The length of the song depends on the rhythm of the language and not on the regular beats.
Okay, thank you. So, Moriones Festival, celebrate siya sa Marinduque. And, ikuan nila din siya class, ang ilang ginasuot is Roman soldiers, muna na ginasuot. Tapos ilang ilang maskara is naka-fierce. So, give their thoughts class. Anyone to class? Ikaw, Miss Hugo.
Yes, ma'am, this festival is going to celebrate siya sa Philippines, and ako na sa nila is ang mga participants is naka-costume sila
Roman soldier. And ina-celebrate siya Holy Week. So, no, kay about sa kung sino luminos kato siya.
Yes.
Kung siya, ina-celebrate siya. And so, I'll be giving the floor to Miss Lola.
Good afternoon, class. Okay, so ako ba tayo sa topic? Okay, so now let's proceed to Sinulog Festival. Ang pagkabasa ko is
Sinulog Festival. Sinulog is a dance ritual or prayer dance in honor of the miraculous image of Santo Niño, celebrated on the third Sunday of January.
sorry.
The street dance festival is participated by people of all ages. They wave their hands as they hold the image of Santo Niño and shout "Pit Señor" in honor of the Santo Niño. Participants wear bright colored costumes and dance rhythmically to the beat of the drums, trumpets, and gongs. In Cebuano, sulog means water current movement. The forward-backward movement of the dance is adapted with the rhythm of the joyful and colorful celebration.
Okay, so kinsa ba ang familiar sa Sinulog Festival?
Ay, regular siya pinag-perform nila sa barangay nila.
Yes. Ano siya? Nadadala sila sa sa Pilipinas. So, ano siya? Ito ang picture nila. So, may ano daw yan siya is may queen.
Yes.
Oo, di ba? Tapos, as you can see, may dala siya na Santo Niño. So, every fiesta din siya sa Pula is always nila ito ginagawa. Tapos, nagsha-shout sila na ano, Sinsinyor. So, ang ginagamit sa music nila is trumpets, drums, and gongs. So, narinig niyo na ba yung tugtog na sa silog? Ganyan. Tapos, sa makikita rin natin na sa kanilang costume is so very colorful. Like, nakalagay dito, wear bright colored costumes and dance rhythmically. Okay? So, nakakita na ba talaga kayo ng sumayaw talaga sa dance?
Yes,
Yes. So, ano yung nakita ninyo doon sa kanila?
Farming ng conservation ng mga pinakatay sa Sinulog Festival sa barangay nila. Ano ba siya? Anong enjoy, tapos yes, joyful kayo ang pangalang spirit dance. Then, makadalag yun ang ano, sige-sige to Pit Señor.
Sige ba, sample lang ba?
Señor.
Okay, very good. So, kinaano na ito nag-wave nila ang Santo Niño. Like, okay, so next, let's proceed to our next topic. Sulian Festival. Okay, so please read.
Sulian Festival. The Sulian Festival is a ceremonial worship dance to honor the town's patron, the Holy Cross in Bauban, Batangas, every third week of July. It is celebration to praise the patron in a mixture of dance, music, and poetry with the accompaniment of drums and chanting. Participants wear their tatar and wear hats. The Sulian Festival features Harana, a customary form of courtship of wooing a woman through serenading love songs by the window at night. The song consists of prayers and verses sung to the accompaniment of trumpets. The movement and the dance are prominent.
Okay, so familiar ba kayo sa festival ng Sulian?
No, ma'am.
Every anong week ba siya nangyayari? Every third week of July. Okay, very good. costume nila. So, may flower na rin siya. Tapos, ang ginagamit nilang instrument ay drums and chanting. So, ang mga participants ay nag-wear ng native attire. Alam niyo ba yung mga native attire? Like mga, oo, mga barong, mga pinyana. Tapos, syempre, nagsusuot din sila ng hats. Then, the Sutian Festival features the harana. So, ganyan ang ginagawa nila dati kapag nagkaharana ang mga lalaki sa babae. Kada gabi nila yung ginagawa, tapos doon sila sa may ginihana. Alam niyo yan? Sino ba sa sinakarama? Wala na ako. Wala na yan. Chat na lang. Get out. Yes. Tapos kakantahan din nila ng love songs. Ito by the window at 9. Tapos with trumpets pa. At saka sinasayawan pa nila ang babae. So, ganyan ang ginagawa nila kapag naghaharana sila dati ng babae. Okay, so by any questions? Okay, so ano nga yung apat na religious festival na sa Philippines? Atiatihan, Moriones, Sinulog, and Ringan. Okay, wala nang tanong? Wala nang. Okay, sige. Let's move on for the next. So I will give the stage to Miss Stella. So good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, ma'am. So before ka mag-proceed, no, i-remove sa ako yung or yung mas matama if makaboy na sa kanan. Okay? So everyone, tapos na yung ating discussion about the religious festival. So we have our activity. So I have here a 4 pictures. Makapuzzle ko siya and we'll arrange it class, okay? So, una na class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, masabit na naman to. So, before that, I have here questions. So, isang sa ganitong 4 festival. Yes.
Atiatihan.
Okay, very good. Yes. Okay, very good. May isa pa.
Moriones.
Okay, very good. Basta, ano nga yung festival na sineselebrate sa Aklan? Yes? Okay, very good. So, na-remember nyo talaga yung ating discussion, no? So much for that. Kaya nasabtan din niyo, nakita man dyan sa inyong, sa inyong participants sa class. So, karon, ang ano na lang is, mag-advance study mo sa next festival but non-religious. So, is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.